Now we are on chapter number 8, which is using an interface. Continuing our previous example with the number interface, once we have defined the interface as contract number interface function, we can use it in a contract as follows. Okay, so we can just create a new address and define the address, and then we will call this number contract number interface, and then passing the address value, the address of the favorite number contract on Ethereum. Now number contract is pointing to the other contract. Okay, function uh, will going to call it something like that, number contract, there it is, and we can call this function from that interface or with other contract on a blockchain. In this way, your contract can interact with any other contract on the Ethereum blockchain as long as they expose those function as public or external. Okay, so let's put it to test. Let's set up our contract to read the CryptoKitties smart contract. I've set the address of the CryptoKitties contract in the code for you under a variable check address. Now let's check it. Here it is. In the next line, create a kitty interface named kitty contract uh, named kitty contract and initialize with a check address, just like we did this number contract. Okay, now let's create uh, kitty interface. Let's name it kitty contract, then just initialize it by passing this. Okay, here it is. So let's check it. Yes. So that's how we can call any smart contract on Ethereum blockchain inside another contract. So let's move on to chapter number 12.